Instagram is full of easy-to-use tools that you can use to make your stories more visually interesting, but unfortunately, it's missing a few features we would love to see come to the app. The ability to add moving text to a story is probably one feature that most users would really appreciate, but aside from pinning text to a part of a video so that it moves along with it, there's no other option to add moving text from within the app. If you're looking to add text with better animation, it's possible, but you'll have to turn to third-party apps. If we have to choose just one app, we'd have to go with Adobe Spark Post. It's a great app for creating stunning graphics, and thanks to a wide variety of tools, adding moving text to a photo is super easy. Launch the app and tap the plus icon in the lower right of your screen to select a photo background. Adobe Spark Post has a free gallery you can grab photos from, but if you have a standard photo in your gallery that you'd like to use, select Gallery to upload it, or just use a standard color background instead. On the next screen, select your post type in order to make sure your image scales correctly. Most viewers will want to choose Instagram Stories. From the menu at the bottom of your screen, select Animation, then choose your preferred animation style. To edit your text, double tap on the text field. Make sure to also adjust your text properties, including color, font, shape, and size. Preview the moving text by tapping the play button in the lower right corner of the photo, and when you're satisfied, tap Done to save it to your gallery. Hypertext is another favorite app of ours when it comes to adding animated text. Launch the app and select the photo you want to edit. Make sure you have Instagram Story enabled at the top of the app, then tap the right pointing arrowhead in the upper right corner of your screen. Double tap the text to edit it, and finally, at the bottom of the screen is a menu where you can pick the movement you want your text to follow. When you're done, save your image and post to Instagram. If you liked this guide, make sure you've subscribed for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.